Hey, I'm going to show you how to add plugins to your WordPress website. In your dashboard, you can navigate to plugins over here, and then you can add a new plugin from up here. You can either upload a plugin, which you have downloaded from a third-party website or purchased from a third-party website. You would just upload the zip file of the plugin over here. I'm not going to use that, so I'm just going to show you how to search for plugins. You can search for a plugin over here, for example, Yoast SEO. And it's going to bring up the plugin options. I already have that installed, so there's no need for that. I'm going to go quit out of the search, and then I want to install the Classic Editor plugin because I prefer using the WordPress Classic Editor. So you're going to want to hit install over here, and then afterwards you're going to hit the activate button, and that's going to activate the plugin because you can have plugins installed but not activated, as you see here with Akismet and Hello Dolly. Great, that's how you install plugins.